These are some of the most popular keyboard shortcuts that works on Google Docs. Keyboard shortcuts are extremely useful to speed up your workflow. And in these examples, I'm going to show you how you can use this keyboard shortcut to access certain features. Take one example, the keyboard shortcut Ctrl, Shift, and C to find the word count. So normally, if you want to see the word count using the normal method, which is by going to the menus, you have to go to Tools and then word count, and then you will see these options. But if you want to get the info very quickly, then you can use your shortcut Ctrl, Shift, and C. So let's try that. Ctrl, Shift, and C. There you go. And by the way, if you are using Mac, then you might want to replace the Control with Command. So Control is definitely for Windows, but for Mac, it's going to be the Command key on the keyboard. Anyway, this is just the essential shortcuts. There are also some advanced shortcuts that will give you access to some features that maybe not being used often by some people, but hey, you can find these shortcuts to be useful. So just pause this video if you want to learn more about these shortcuts, you want to memorize them, and yeah, you can also check out this one. So yeah, I hope this video helps you.